Welcome to my channel Medicine Guide. According to the World Health Organization, hypertension, raised blood pressure, causes an estimated 7.5 million deaths worldwide, which is roughly 12.8% of all total deaths. The American Heart Association estimates that nearly half of American adults have high blood pressure. If left untreated, high blood pressure, also called hypertension, is a primary risk factor for several types of cardiovascular diseases, including stroke, heart attack, heart failure. Hypertension accounts for about half of all heart disease and stroke-related deaths worldwide. Untreated hypertension can also increase the risk of kidney disease and other organ failures. Hypertension mortality rates compared to other leading causes of death. In the United States, the mortality rate from hypertension and hypertensive renal disease per 100,000 is 13. Here it is shown how this rate compares to other leading causes of death in the United States. Data collected by the CDC from 2018 to 2022, diseases of the heart, number of deaths, 702,880, mortality rate per 100,000, 210.9, malignant neoplasms, tumors, number of deaths, 608,371, mortality rate per 100,000. 182.5, accidents, number of deaths, 227,039, mortality rate per 100,000, 68.1, COVID-19, number of deaths, 186,552, mortality rate per 100,000, 56.0, cerebrovascular diseases, number of deaths, 165,393, mortality rate per 100,000, 49.6, chronic lower respiratory diseases, bronchitis, emphysema, asthma, number of deaths, 147,382, mortality rate per 100,000, 44.2, Alzheimer's disease, number of deaths, 120,122, mortality rate per 100,000, 36.0, diabetes mellitus, number of deaths, 101,209, mortality rate per 100,000, 30.4, nephritis, nephrotic syndrome, and nephrosis, number of deaths, 57,937, mortality rate per 100,000, 17.4, chronic liver disease and cirrhosis, number of deaths, 54,803, mortality rate per 100,000, 16.4, influenza and pneumonia, number of deaths, 47,052, mortality rate per 100,000. 14.1, hypertension and hypertensive renal disease, number of deaths, 43,293, mortality rate per 100,000, 13.0, septicemia, number of deaths, 42.261, mortality rate per 100,000, 12.7, Parkinson disease, number of deaths, 39,215, mortality rate per 100,000, 12.0. That's enough for this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please keep watching my channel. Disclaimer: channel's intention to make this video is for informational purposes only. Consult your doctor or healthcare provider for use of any medicine or for query of any disease. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Medicine Guide. Stay tuned for the 17 best food for hypertension.